A woman was at a family dinner and she noticed her father-in-law and she said, "I don't like the way you look." And she was a paramedic. She noticed a tiny change in his skin and breathing that no one else saw. Because of her awareness, he was in a surgery after a few hours. And this is the power of chapter 4 of Atomic Habits. Most of our failures comes from the things that we don't even realize or notice that we are doing it. Today we are learning how to wake up. Our brains are designed to automate. If you ever driven home and you realize you don't remember last 5 minutes, that's your brain on autopilot. It's efficient, but if your habits are bad, it's dangerous. James Clear says, until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate. We think we are making choices, but actually we are following patterns. So how do we fix it? James Clear gives us a tool, the habit card. It's simple. List every single thing you do from the moment you wake up. Wake up, that's 1. Check phone, that's 2. Brush your teeth, that's 3. Now, mark them as, is it a positive or a negative or a neutral? Goal isn't to change them yet. It's just we have to notice it, and we can't change what we don't see. In Japan, train conductors use a system pointing and calling. They point at the signal and say, "Signal is green," out loud. It reduces 85% of errors. You should do the same thing. If you are about to eat chocolate that you don't need, say it out loud that I am about to eat chocolate but I don't need it. It will make me feel heavy. Hearing yourself makes the habit real. Your homework for today, go to the comments and write down one habit that you do usually on autopilot. Let's build that awareness. Chapter 5 is where it gets more practical. We will talk about how to actually start. See you there.